Esteemed means held in great respect. As synonyms: valuable, prestigious.
For example, we dined in my esteemed friend's little room.
Vacate means a place that one previously occupied. As synonyms: abandon, depart.
For example, rooms must be vacated by noon on the last day of your holiday.
Hassle means irritating inconvenience. As synonyms: difficulty, inconvenience.
For example, you want to sit and relax and not get hassled.
Prohibit means formally forbid something by law. As synonyms: hamper, block.
For example, he is prohibited from becoming a director.
Growth means the process of increasing in size. As synonyms: advancement, improvement.
For example, the upward growth of plants.
People means human beings in general. As synonyms: individuals, multitudes.
For example, the earthquake killed 30,000 people.
Children means a young human being below the age of puberty. As synonyms: youngsters, teenagers.
For example, when children leave home, parents can feel somewhat redundant.
Effortless means requiring no physical or mental exertion. As synonyms: easy, uncomplicated.
For example, I went up the steps into effortless bounds.
Unite means come or bring together for a common purpose or action. As synonyms: integrate, associate.
For example, he called on the party to unite.
Stop means come to an end. As synonyms: end, finish.
For example, his laughter stopped as quickly as it had begun. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.